Assalamu alaikum. Trick to Krebs cycle. So first, names of compound. So there's a simple trick. Citric cycle is a super substrate for making oxaloacetate with the help of mnemonic. So citric cycle is a super substrate for making oxaloacetate. So names of compound: citrate, isocianic acid, citrate, alpha-ketoglutarate, succinyl coenzyme A, succinate, fumarate, malate, and oxaloacetate. Now the production of FADH2 and NADH2. So FADH2 is only produced after succinate. Look at this. After succinate, FADH2 is produced, and NADH, this stands for NADH, and it is produced after isocitrate. Look at this, and after alpha ketoglutarate. Look at this, and after malate. Look at this, and ATP is produced between succinyl coenzyme A, succinate ATP. And here there is the all these three are 6 carbon, and here is the evolution of carbon. So means 1 carbon is decreased to 5 and 5 carbon is decreased to 6. And here only alpha ketoglutarate is a 5 carbon compound. These are 4 carbon and these are 6 carbon. So you should learn this only. So here after 5, CO2 is released to decrease the carbon number to 4.